Hello, Pestilence here with a new lock. It's a pancake lock. Uh, not sure how old this thing is. Um, Looks like it could be old, but looks like it's pretty cheap, is what it looks. It has US on the one side, and it has Samson on the other side, and number 6 at the top. Yes, number 6 at the top. Right there. As you can see, it is not a push key, and yeah, pretty cheap. You can hear it, something inside clanking. What I discovered when I was taking a look at it is that it's really easy to open. I've got one of my warded picks. Ta-da! There you go. In case you coughed, sneezed, blink, your eyes were blinking. There we go. So, pretty easy to open. I'm happy that I got it open. Makes me concerned that I got it open that fast, though. So, if anybody has any idea how old this thing is, it says USA right there, I believe. It just doesn't look like it's all that terribly old. But there you go. So, thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.